For this problem, we are given the equation of 2x. Let me use blue for this, actually. It makes it easier to see on the graph. 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. And we need to find the slope y-intercept, and we also need to convert this into slope-intercept form. So in order to do that, let's remember what slope-intercept form looks like. Y equals mx plus b. So really, slope-intercept form is all about getting y by itself and x on the other side. So let's start off with that. So we're going to add 18 to each side and subtract 2x from each side to move them over to get y by itself. So you end up with 3y equals negative 2x plus 18. Then we're going to divide each side by 3 in order to give us y by itself completely. So that gives us y equals negative 2/3 x plus 6.